Good afternoon. Have you noticed the warmest temperatures of the season so far, but it is also bringing a risk of severe weather.
Yes, it is. And Kristen Kershane live with the storm chaser, but we're going to start in studio with our own Brian Goddard. Brian.
First day of heat, some humidity, and well, then all of a sudden we're expecting some storms later this evening, and some of those could be a little strong to severe. And so not just a severe thunderstorm watch, but they issued a tornado watch until 9 o'clock this evening. Something you haven't seen for a while. Look at the haze behind us. That's because the dew points are in the mid 60s. It's humid for the first time in months. The temperature almost 80 degrees at the airport in Milwaukee. Now with that southeast wind right at the lakefront, it's only in the 60s. And Port Washington at this hour only in the 50s. So that is the one reason why you won't see the severe thunderstorms or the tornado threat along the lakefront. It's almost 90 in our inland areas. This is the tornado watch. Fond du Lac, Dodge, Jefferson, and Walworth counties. The main risk is in the western part of the state, and then those storms could drift in our direction. Once again, no watches here locally in Milwaukee, Waukesha, down towards Racine and Kenosha, but you still could see an isolated severe thunderstorm throughout the evening with all this heat and humidity. Kristen, I can't believe we're saying heat and humidity. What are you seeing out there so far?
Yeah, hey Brian, good afternoon. Things still quiet out here. As you mentioned, the storm's not taking off just yet. Really, we can see a lot of haze and not much else. The sky's not looking very blue. I'll turn it to the front-facing camera of the storm chaser here. Right now, we are driving north on 41. We're just west of the West Bend area. We're headed up towards Fond du Lac, but I think we may stay in this general area. I think we'll have a good vantage point here, just watching for these storms to start to develop. So again, really just hazy skies, a couple of cumulus clouds trying to develop here, but we're going to keep an eye on things from the chaser as we head through tonight. For now, back to you in the studio.
Very humid out there. Kristen, thank you very much. And a reminder, Kristen and Brian will track our chances for severe weather all night long. Scan the QR code on your screen to download the TMJ4 News app. You're going to get instant weather alerts and an accurate up-to-the-minute forecast.